In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add page numbers in Google Slides. This step-by-step guide will help you enhance your presentations, making them not only informative, but also easy to navigate for your audience. Let's jump right in. First, open up your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Slides. You can type in Google Slides in the search bar, and it should be the first result that pops up. Click on it, and you'll be directed to the main page where you can access your slides. Once there, open the presentation where you want to add page numbers. If you don't have an existing presentation, you can easily start with a new one by selecting the blank option in the template gallery. Now, to add page numbers, you'll need to open the View menu at the top of the screen. Scroll down to find the Master View option and click on it. This will open the Master View where you can make universal changes to your slides, such as inserting page numbers. Working in Master View is beneficial since any changes you make here will apply to every slide in your presentation, saving you time and effort. Moving on, while in the Master View, locate the Insert menu from the toolbar above. From the drop-down list, select Slide Number. This action will automatically place a text box dedicated to slide numbers onto each slide. You might see a placeholder in this box, indicating where the numbers will appear once refined. After inserting the placeholder, it's now time to decide where you'd like your numbers to appear on each slide. You can click and drag the text box to move it around the slide. Typically, people prefer having these numbers at the bottom right corner for clear visibility without intrusion on the slide's main content. Align and position the box according to your preference, and it will reflect on all the slides. Before you exit the Master View, ensure any changes you want to make to the font style, size, or color of the page numbers are done here, so they apply to every slide uniformly. Changing these elements may look subtle, but can significantly impact the professional appearance of your presentation. Once you're satisfied with your settings, exit the Master View by clicking the X button at the top right corner of your screen. You'll be taken back to the normal slide view. You'll notice that each slide now has a numbered label in the place you selected. Remember, if you add or remove slides in the future, the numbers will automatically adjust, preserving the sequence, making your presentation neat and organized. This feature is particularly handy for lengthy presentations where keeping track of your slides is crucial. And that's it. You've successfully added page numbers to your Google Slides presentation, ensuring your audience can follow along seamlessly. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on making your presentations stand out. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.